Okay, hey, don't you sing? Yeah, you sing.
What used to be cool? What used to be cool? What used to be cool? What used to be cool?
Wow.
What used to be cool? Almost. We almost got it that time.
I like being out of time.
Yeah. That's a thing.
Out of time?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start a band called Out of Time. Anyway,
What used to be cool?
this is what used to be cool, and not what's out of time. So, you know what used to be cool?
No.
Big snowstorms.
Oh, because there's a snowstorm.
I remember in my younger youth being enthralled by the thought of blizzards, because that meant that I would go tobogganing, skating, snow forts, winter sports, like a 5-course dinner. Oh, how I once loved such things. But as I aged and moved to the city, blizzards and snow have become totally uncool, and the novelty of winter fun has worn off. And that's what
Used to be cool. Used to be cool. What used to be cool? What used to be cool? What used to be cool? What used to be?
Cool. All right.
Yeah.